Good citizens, welcome to Master Asador Barbecue. My name is Gustavo, and today we'll be cooking roasted duck Chinese style. It's a recipe that I'm gonna try. Part of my family is Chinese, so we eat it all the time, but we're gonna try to make it at home. So we're gonna proceed with the ingredients and see how we prepare this. So here we have the duck already cleaned up and washed. Then the first step is gonna be the ingredients that go inside the bird. So we have 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Then we have all the spices that we're going to mix together, which is 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of ginger powder, a little bit of black pepper because I didn't have any white pepper, and a tablespoon of five spice. We're also going to put in a piece of ginger and a piece of scallion. For the second process, which is going to be the hardening of the skin, we're going to use star anise, some citrus peel, dry citrus peel, and I'm going to use a little bit of soy sauce for the color, which we're going to show the process. And then we have, for the last process, which is the last wash, we have honey, because I don't have any maltose. I just use honey because it's something sweet, lemon juice, and apple cider. Okay, first thing we're going to do is try to blow some air so we take the skin off the meat so it becomes crispier and better when you eat it. So we're just going to put this inside and separate the skin. I'm going to go back. It's working good. As you can see. Getting all blown up, which is what we're looking for. Okay, now we need to sew this. So I don't have a skewer with me, so I'm going to use a piece of wire. So we get the skin, and we're going to start going through the sides and making sure we seal this. Okay, now we have a water heating up for the second process. In the meantime, we're going to put a little bit of this in the third process, so that here it is for the final one, for the skin, which I have a little bit of soy sauce, the honey, sugar, lemon juice, and vinegar. So I'm going to put a little bit more so that it melt all the stuff. In the meantime, I'm going to throw the citrus peel and the star anise on this water, which is going to be the first process for the skin. The water already has some color, some brown color, because of the spices. So now we're going to start processing and washing the bird with these things all around. We're going to do this about a minute or so, a minute or two, so that this will help to get a nice aromatic flavor, and help with the crispiness of the skin. Now the last of the process, which is the flavor of the skin. So this will get the skin a little bit sweet and sticky, and it will caramelize once it is in the oven. So we're going to do this and leave the duck around to dry out about 5 or 6 hours before we cook. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have it. Skin totally dry. It's been hanging since this morning, about 6 hours, 6-7 hours, and now we're going to start cooking the bird. good sentences. Here it is. Cheers. Great flavor, balance, slightly sweet, slightly salty, but perfect. Very mild, very tender. I hope you make it at home, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care for everything and see you soon.